10 years ago and also parang this year.
Itong last leg, halos hindi na sila nakasama. Sila kasi nasa ibang bansa. So, mas ako ang nagtapos ng pelikula and other cast. Alam niyo naman history namin. Kami pa nung time na ginagawa ito. Of course, working with Lovie is a lot of fun. Lalo na being someone who has witnessed her growth sa showbiz and caliber niya sa pagdating sa acting yan. So, syempre, ito ng pressure. Ito ng pressure na lumevel sa kanila ni Paolo. It was fun and I'm just really glad na we were able to finish it and finally showcase it. Kasi at this hard time in our lives ngayon, maraming galit. At kailangan natin ng mga ganito to remind us what we're fighting for.
Can you expound that maraming galit?
Baka ma-invite ako sa resource ano pa ako. Pero isa ako sa, I'll be very transparent. Isa ako sa mga galit sa nangyayari ngayon at hindi karapat-dapat. Lahat tayo taxpayers and we want to see where the money is going.
Magandang hapon sa inyong
lahat.
Welcome to this absolutely historic event, the violet carpet screening and press conference for Lakambini Gregoria de Jesus. We are here to celebrate our relevant woman in history, the mother of the revolution, ang Lakambini ng Katipunan, Gregoria de Jesus. To our esteemed friends in the press and media, please proceed immediately to the auditorium where our panel awaits for the press conference to begin. We will start in 5 minutes. Thank you and see you.
Nagpapakita ng loyalty and pagmamahal sa bansa, sa kapwa Pilipino, tulad ng Encantadia, sa general. Dito, bilang Andres Bonifacio, yung pagmamahal and standing up to what's right. Yun, isa akong Navy Reservist. So, bilang isang person na ng AFP, naniniwala ako sa dapat may unity. And hindi mangyayari yun kung hindi ka maglilitay. Example. So, sa lahat ng makakaya kong powers para maging boses ng mga kabataan lalo na ngayon, I will do it. And yun ang naman ang akin. We have to all lead by example. Kung may maging corrupt, i-follow ko.
Ano lang i-expect ng mga tao rito sa film na ito?
Pelikula would like to thank our following event and media partners.
Nationalistic.
Esquire,
and wanting to
Radio Mindanao Network Marketing Media Ventures, Pep.ph,
and I think this is what we need to fuel everything that we want to achieve.
Best Choice Catering,
Isn't that then?
Marikina Baker,
Tagal na po ito. Finally, it's coming out on behalf of Lovie and Paolo and yung buong cast.
Silinan Coffee, Com and Sense, Organisasyon ng Pilipino Manaawi,
so we can all together
Light Rail Manila Corporation, and Digital Cinema Package.
Maraming salamat.